Welcome to Session 11 of our Construction Project Management series. Today, we're exploring the Bill of Quantities, a fundamental document in the construction industry. This document is the bridge between an architect's design and a contractor's price tag. Let's explore what it is and why it's so important. So what is a Bill of Quantities? Prepared by a specialized professional known as a quantity surveyor, a BOQ is a document that defines the precise quality and quantity of works required to complete a project. Think of it as a highly detailed professional grocery list for a massive building. It specifies everything you need, from the exact cubic meters of concrete for the foundation to the number of hinges needed for the doors. Why do we need this document? The primary purpose is to help tenderers, the contractors bidding on the job, prepare a precise price for carrying out the work. First, it ensures fair tendering. Every contractor bids based on the exact same quantities. Second, it aids in accurate cost calculation, minimizing the risk that a contractor will underprice the job and go bankrupt. Finally, it provides a very clear scope of work, eliminating ambiguity about what needs to be built. The BOQ isn't just for bidding. It remains a vital financial tool throughout the entire construction lifecycle. It serves as a reliable base for budget control and cash flow forecasting. It provides a baseline for the valuation of variations, so if a client adds a wall mid-project, the BOQ dictates the cost. It is also used to calculate interim payments, ensuring contractors are paid fairly for the work they have completed so far. Depending on the need, there are two specific types of BOQs. A bill of materials focuses exclusively on physical items and raw materials. For example, a list detailing 5,000 bricks and 200 bags of cement. A bill of labors, on the other hand, focuses on the human effort required to install those materials. For example, estimating that it will take exactly 400 hours of masonry work to lay those 5,000 bricks. A professional BOQ is highly structured. The main sections typically include the form of tender, which is the formal agreement, the information and requirements detailing site conditions, the pricing schedule, which is the core table of quantities. It also includes provisional sums, an allowance for elements not yet fully designed, and dayworks rates for labor used on a daily rate basis. Let's look at a practical example of the pricing schedule. The surveyor provides the item description, the unit of measurement, and the quantity. For example, item 1.01 requires 150 cubic meters of excavation. When a bidding contractor receives this document, they must fill in their rate per unit, let's say 15 rupees, and calculate the total amount. This precise calculation is done for every single line item in the project. The advantages of using a BOQ are significant. By measuring the entire project from the drawings, it helps the team anticipate challenges before construction starts. It completely eliminates guesswork for contractors, reducing bidding errors and later disputes. Ultimately, this level of comprehensive planning saves time and cost during the actual construction phase. However, a BOQ is only as good as the surveyor who creates it, and errors can be costly. Limitations include simple measurement or arithmetic errors. There is also a risk of omissions and duplications, forgetting a critical item or counting it twice. Finally, if there are mid-project design changes, outdated assumptions in the original BOQ can cause significant financial discrepancies. Despite the potential for human error, the Bill of Quantities remains the most effective tool for managing construction costs transparently. Thank you for your attention.